Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode with your boy Money Spence. In today's live day trading episode, we're going to be focused on a 5-minute VWAP strategy, and we're going to make $400 or more with our proven day trading strategy. Without further ado, man, let's take a deep dive into this morning's episode, family, and make sure you like and subscribe to the Money Spence YouTube channel. All right, family, you know how we got to start the morning off. We got to start the morning off with showing the gains. So in our one account, we're currently up $2,206.92. In our second funded account, we're up $2,287.40. So for the past 10 trading days, we're up approximately $4,494.32. On average, that's approximately $449.43, on a daily basis. So we're hitting our targets for the month of November. All right, family, now we're going to shift focus and cover the economic calendar. So today's market focus is going to be on Fed speakers. We have a Fed speaker at 10:05 a.m. So make sure you keep a close eye on your chart on that time frame. And as far as key economic reports that were supposed to be released at 8:30 a.m., we're still getting some delays. So the PPI report that was supposed to be released at a.m., the retail sales report that was supposed to be released at 8:30 a.m. So those reports, they're delayed once again. Now, we do have a business inventory report that's going to be released at 10 a.m. So that may possibly have an impact on the market. But I want you all to keep a close eye on the Fed speaker at 10:05 a.m. Now we're going to take a quick look at the overall market sentiment. Once again, the overall market sentiment is bearish. About 8 days ago, I covered the fact that, hey, the big money players are starting to rotate out the tech sector. And that's what you all see at this current moment. They're rotating out of tech, and they're, taking some profits. And that's what you need to do in some cases if you're, a swing trader or a long-term investor. So Tesla is currently down massively in pre-market. So Tesla may possibly have a bounce on the open, so keep a close eye on Tesla when the market opens up. All right, family, so now we're going to cover levels for our options traders, and then we'll shift focus and cover levels for our futures traders. For IWM, we have a key support level at $232.27. We have a key pivot point priced at $234.77, and our first level of resistance is priced at $236.26. Our SPY options traders, we have a key support level at $662.04. We have a key pivot point priced at $667.35, and our first level of resistance, it's priced at $670.72. Our QQQ traders, we have a key support level priced at $595.40. Our pivot point, it's priced at $602.12. And our first level of resistance, it's priced at $606.30. All right, family, it's about to be showtime. Make sure you're ready to level up and make sure you keep risk management as a top priority. All right, family, let's get it. All right, so we're on the 5-minute time frame today. Let's see what the bulls want to do. Let's see if they're going to start pushing this thing up higher. And today I'm going to be risking about $2,000 with all accounts, combined. And in one account, I may trade about 10 contracts max. I want to step it up a little bit today. See if we can make a little bit more money. Let's go, family. It's about to be showtime. Let's get it. Make sure you all do me a favor. Make sure you all click on that like button. And make sure you're subscribed to the Money Spence Day Trading Show. All right, so we're approaching support level number 2. We have that priced at $24,683.92. Let's see if we're going to hold that level on the 5-minute time frame. Remember, family, we got to be patient. And you know what? I'm going to thinking about removing this level, honestly. Let me remove this level really quick because I want to see what's going on with this 5-minute bearish candle. All right, so we're starting to pull back on the 5-minute time frame. The Qs just broke below a key level. I'm thinking about getting in for a quick scalp pretty soon. The Qs just broke below a key level, but we're still holding the pre-market low.
Order filled.
Come on, let's go. Come on. We're still holding the pre-market low at the moment. Come on. What you gonna do? There we go. Come on, keep going lower. There we go. Beautiful. I'm gonna take profits pretty soon on this short. Taking profits pretty soon, family. All right, let me take those
Order
profits.
filled.
All right, just secure profits from that quick short towards the downside. Keep a close eye on $24,683.25. If we break below $24,657.50, we may possibly go lower. All right, we just broke below another key level. Get ready, family. It's about to be showtime. We may bounce in this key area, though, so use caution. We just created a new intraday low on the open. All right, let me
Order
get in right here.
filled.
Let's go. Come on. What you want to do? Don't bounce on us, though. Don't bounce on us. I'm going to start off with one contract right here. Come on. If we break below $24,643.25, I'll add a little bit more. That's a key price zone for us. Just waiting patiently right now. Not going to rush to anything. All right, come
Order
on.
filled.
Let's go. Showtime. Let's get it. Come on. Keep going lower. Keep going lower. All right, let me take those
Order
profits. All
filled.
right, just secure profits. Once again, family, we created a new intraday low at 24.
Order
Let me get back
filled.
in right here. Let's go. Come on. Keep dropping. Come on. Keep going low. There we go. Beautiful.
Order
Let me take
filled.
those profits. All right, just secure profits once again. Come on. Come on. All right, let's go to the 1 minute time frame really quick, family. All right, so we're bouncing off of $24,624. Let's adjust our support level to $24,626. That's going to be our key support zone. Let me see. Let me remove this section right here. Come on. All right, let me remove that section. All right, so the buyers, they're trying to step in. If we create a new intraday low, I'll size up and buy a little bit more. We may start bouncing in this area though. So I secured profits right here at 9:33 a.m. Now you could have played a quick short from 9:30 through 9:33 a.m. I'm going to highlight that zone for us. If we create a new intraday low, I'll get back in short towards the downside. And good morning, everyone who just joined us. Thank you for joining us. I really appreciate it. Thank you for joining the Money Spent. Thank you for joining the Money Spent show. Let's go. All right, fam. So I'm thinking about getting back in if we create a new intraday low. We're still holding $24,626. If we break below that level, I'm going to size up for some additional contracts. I'm currently flat on all of my positions at the moment. I'm not holding anything. All right, so now we can start implementing the 5-minute ORB strategy. So let's shift focus and go to the 5-minute time frame now. If we drop below this 5-minute low, you're going to see your boy Money Spent size. All right, so we just dropped below the 50-day daily EMA for the Qs. Let's see if we're going to hold below those levels. The buyers, they're stepping in on the 5-minute time frame. Use caution. Nobody should be short right now. The buyers, they're stepping in pretty aggressively. Let's go to the 1-minute time frame really quick. Let's go to the 1-minute time frame really quick. Let's go, family. All right, so you know what?
Order
Your boy
filled.
Money Spence about to step up to the plate and go long now.
Order
Let's go.
filled.
Come on, keep going higher. Come on, keep going higher. Come on, keep going higher. All right, let me buy a little bit more right here. Come on, why the hell my platform is not buying the contracts?
Order filled.
All right, holding 5 contracts right now. Let's go. I'm currently long on the Nasdaq at the moment. Let's see if we can start going higher.
Order
Let me buy
filled.
a few more right here. Currently holding. Damn. Let me
Order
take those
filled.
profits. Just made like $500 off that quick long
Order
play,
filled.
family. Damn, that was amazing. Let's go. Beautiful.
Order
Let me
filled.
take those profits as well. This is what I'm talking about, man. This is how we do it, family. This is how we do it. Come on, keep going.
Order filled.
Oh shit, I didn't even mean to buy those. Fuck. Let me sell
Order
that real
filled.
quick. All right, so I'm gonna lock. Yeah, I'm gonna lock this account. So I'm up in this account about. Let me see. So I'm gonna lock this account, family. We have beautiful trade towards the downside and upside. So in this account, I made $575.74. So to show you all how to become a disciplined trader when you're trading with a prop firm, so you won't give your profits back, just lock your damn account. Do not overtrade. So I'm going to lock this account all day. And now I'm going to shift focus and go to my other funded account. Let's go, family. It's about to be showtime.
Order
Only about 3
filled.
more right here. Let's go. Come on, keep going higher. Come on.
Order
Buy a
filled.
little bit more right
Order
here.
filled.
Holding 5 contracts long. Let's see if we can continue to move higher. I'm going to sell this move pretty soon. Beautiful. Come on, keep going higher. Keep going higher. We're pulling back a little tad bit. We're pulling back a little tad bit. Man, we should be getting a continuation pump because that was a strong, aggressive 5-minute candle. So I'm down about, 200 and some change on this current position. I wish I was copy trading, in that, other account, but it's okay. Let's see if we can get a continuation move higher. Come on, keep moving. So we have a strong 5-minute bullish candle right here at 9:35 a.m. Let's go, man. Come on, keep moving higher. Keep moving higher. I'm going to take profits on this thing pretty soon. I'm going to take profits on this thing pretty soon. I'm not trying to be greedy. Let's go. We're currently green on the play. Come on, keep moving high. Beautiful. Oh my God.
Order
Let me take those
filled.
profits. Let me get back in
Order
right
filled.
here. Just secure profits. Come on, we're currently long on the Nasdaq at the moment. Come on, keep going higher.
Order
Buy a little
filled.
bit more right here.
Order
Buy a little bit more
filled.
right here. Currently long. Oh my
Order
God. Let me take
filled.
those profits. Let's go, man.
Order
Beautiful.
filled.
Come on. Let's see if we can go higher now. Let's go. Currently long on the Nasdaq towards the upside. Use caution, family. Use caution. Let me take those
Order
profits. All right,
filled.
just secure profits once again. I'm going to lock. Matter of fact, yeah, I'm going to lock this account, family. I don't want to give those profits back. Let me lock that account. Up $162.88 in that account. Let me see. Why the hell this one didn't lock? Lock me in. All right. Yes. Lock me out all day. All right. So let's go to our third funded account. Let's go, man. It's about to be
Order
showtime,
filled.
fam. Let me get in right here.
Order
2
filled.
contracts. Come on. Keep going higher. Currently long on the Nasdaq towards the upside. A lot of traders, they got faked out on this 5-minute bearish candle. That's why I took profits at a fast rate. I want to see if we're going to continue to go higher. We need to break above $24,810.34. I'm currently holding 2 contracts at the moment in our current, funded account. This is a strong 5-minute bullish candle, and I may hold this one for an extended period up until about maybe 9:45 a.m. or 9:50 a.m. at the latest. But I am going to be taking profits at a fast rate. But I'm looking for a 5-minute 3-bar play towards the upside. The buyers, they stepped in aggressively right here at 9:35 a.m. Now, let's see if we can get a continuation towards the upside. I'm currently down on this play about $85, but your boy Money Spence, he's not going to panic. Already locked in profits in two funded accounts so far. Let's see if we can start going higher now. If we break, all right, let
Order
me add one
filled.
more right here. Let's go. Come on. Currently holding 3 contracts at the moment. Come on. If we break above this 5-minute high, I'll add a little bit more. Come on. Keep going higher. Come on. Keep going higher. And my target may be right here at $24,892. Currently holding 3 contracts at the moment. I'm risking about $500 on this play. Max. Still waiting patiently. Let's go back to the big screen, really, family. And give me a few. I'll lock in on the chat in 1 second. I'm trying to keep a close eye on the chart at the. Oh my God, we're starting to move higher, family. Let's go back to the other really quick. We're starting to move towards the upside. Come on, beautiful. Come on. Let me add a little bit more
Order
right here.
filled.
Add a little bit more right here. Currently holding 5 contracts towards the upside. Beautiful. Let me
Order
take those
filled.
profits.
Order
Let me get
filled.
back in right here. Come on. Let's see if we can go higher.
Order
Buy a little
filled.
bit more right here. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Keep going. Buy 3
Order
more right
filled.
here. Come on. Let's start pumping now. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. Don't let us down.
Order
Let me take
filled.
those profits.
Order
Get back in
filled.
right here. Come on. We're currently on the 5-minute
Order
time frame. Add
filled.
a little bit more right here. Let's see if we can start going higher, family. I'll buy a little bit more if we start pumping towards $24,891. Let's go, man. It's about to be showtime. Let's get it. All right, let me add a
Order
little bit more
filled.
right here. Currently holding 5 contracts at the moment towards the upside. I'm going to sell this position pretty soon. I'm not going to overstay my welcome. Come on, keep moving higher, man. Don't let us down. Don't let us down. Come on, don't let us down, man. So I'm down a nice sizable amount at the moment, family. Down a nice sizable amount, but your boy Money Spence, he's not going to panic. I'm risking about $500 on this play. Your boy Money Spence is not going to panic, and it might go south, man. It might go south, family. Come on, give us that pump back towards the upside. Give us that pump back towards the upside. Currently down about 300 and some change on this play, 400 and some change, 300 and some change, 200 and some change. Come on, pump back up for us. Come on, pump back up for us. I'm in this play too long. I'm in this play too long, family. Let's see if those buyers are going to step back in right now. Down 200 and some change at the moment. I'm not trying to sell this play prematurely because I think it might start bursting back towards the upside pretty soon. I'm thinking about getting out though as well. I'm gonna get out.
Order
All
filled.
right, so on this play, I'm currently down $118.60. I noticed that it was taking its time, to work out, so I decided to stop out on that play. Decided to stop out on it.
Order
Let me get
filled.
back in right here.
Order
A little bit
filled.
more right here. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. Beautiful.
Order
Let me take those
filled.
profits. Let
Order
me get back in
filled.
right here. Come on. Keep moving higher. Let's see if we can break above $24,850. If we do, it's a strong possibility that we may start trending towards VWAP. Let me
Order
buy a little bit more
filled.
right here. Let's go. Come on. Keep moving.
Order
Beautiful. 5
filled.
contracts right now. Come on. There we go. Let me take
Order
those
filled.
profits. Let me take
Order
back in
filled.
right here. Let's go. Come on. Come on. I'm only down about $26.15 right now. At one point, I was down to 400 and some change. Come on. Keep going higher.
Order
Let me buy one
filled.
more right here. Currently holding 2 contracts, family. Let's see if we can start moving higher. We should get a continuation move towards $24,890. Come on. If we do, I'll add 3 more contracts to my current position. I'm currently holding 2 contracts at the moment. This 5-minute candle is about to close in approximately 8 seconds. So get ready, family. We may have a continuation move for the next 15 minutes of the trading day. All right, family, we can start implementing the 15-minute ORB strategy. That's based off the first 15-minute high and the first 15-minute low. Let's see if we can break above this 5-minute high right here. If we do, it's a strong possibility we're going to head towards VWAP at $24,890. All right,
Order
let me buy
filled.
3 more right here. Currently holding 5 contracts. Come on. Don't let us down. There we go. Come on, keep moving higher. Keep moving high. Beautiful. Damn, it's not holding up. Let me take those
Order
profits. All
filled.
right, just secure profits, family.
Order
Let me get
filled.
back in right here.
Order filled.
2 more right here. All right, so I'm currently green on this play right now. I'll add a little bit more if we break above, let me see, $24,855. I'll add a little bit more. I need some strong, bullish 5-minute candles to step up to the plate, though. Damn, after being down close to $500 in this account, we recovered. Beautiful. All right, let's go. I'm gonna add 3
Order
more right here.
filled.
Come on, keep going higher. Beautiful. Let me take
Order
those
filled.
profits.
Order
Add a little bit
filled.
more right here. Currently up $70.45 in this one funded account. Let's see if we can start moving higher, family. We need to break above $24,890.
Order
A little bit
filled.
more right here. All right, so I'm currently holding 2 contracts. Let's see if we can start moving higher now. Come on. Beautiful. Keep moving. Keep moving. I'll add 3 more if we break above VWAP. Let me add
Order
3 more right
filled.
here. Fuck it.
Order
Let me take those
filled.
profits. All right. Let
Order
me get back in
filled.
right here, family. Let's go.
Order
Add 1
filled.
more right here. Keep moving higher. We need to break above this white line. If we break above this white line, it's a strong possibility we may hit towards $24,994.25. That's our 5-minute, high on the 5-minute, time frame. All right, let's see if we can start trending higher now, family. I'm still holding 2 contracts at the moment. Let's see if we can start trending higher. Let's go. Let's go, man. We getting this money today, man. We are getting this money. All right, so we're approaching VWAP right now. Let's see if we can break above VWAP with some strong bullish pressure, family. The bulls, they stepped in aggressively at 9:35 a.m. Let's go, man. Come on, keep moving higher. There we go. Beautiful. Fuck it. I'm
Order
gonna add one more
filled.
right here. Let's go. Currently holding 3 contracts at the moment. Beautiful. Oh my God.
Order
Let me take
filled.
those profits. Man, this was some full trading today, family. Let's go back to the big screen really quick. So I'm currently out of all of my positions at the moment. We're about to possibly break above VWAP. The bulls, they stepped in right here at 9:34 a.m. They stepped in aggressively right there, and that's when your boy Money Spent started to pivot towards the upside. I played the short on the open, and I noticed that the buyer started to step in aggressively. That's why I changed direction and started to move towards the upside. So we made money in both directions today, family. We made money in both directions. Whew, that was beautiful. All right, so let's cover what just happened. Let's cover what just happened. So the market, it was already down aggressively in pre-market, right? It was already down aggressively in pre-market. So a lot of day traders, they thought that the same thing that happened yesterday was going to happen today. No, that's where experience come in at. So I identified early on that we had a strong key support level right here at $24,626, right? We played the short position right here in this price zone. Now let's highlight the 5-minute resistance area. So the 5-minute resistance area, it was at $24,760, right? On the open. $760 on the open, right? And 75 cents. That was our 5-minute ORB resistance level. Let me remove that section. Let's go back to the 5-minute time frame now. So we're operating on the 5-minute time frame today. I said, hey, the first 5 minutes of the day, it was bearish. As soon as 9:35 approached, I said, hey, family, we have some strong bullish pressure stepping in right now. So whoever was short on this candle right here, they should have stopped out on their position once we broke above the 5-minute ORB resistance. Right here, this 5-minute candle right here was your boy Money Spence entry towards the upside. And I say, hey, I'm going to hold on to this move until at max 9:50 a.m. So we had a beautiful 3-bar play, a bullish three-bar play at that, from 9:35 through 9:45 a.m. So you could have made a nice sizable amount of money off of this one, you know, entry right here in this price zone. So for the first, 20 minutes of the day, your boy Money Spence made a nice sizable amount. So hopefully you all were following in the same direction that I was following. All right, let's see what the market is going to do. So we did approach VWAP. I called that out as well. I said, hey, I called that out somewhere in this price zone right here around like 9:40 a.m. I said, hey, it's a strong possibility that we're going to start hitting towards VWAP. And that's exactly what we did, family. That's exactly what we did. And I'll open up the floor for questions around 9:55 a.m. But make sure you all do me a favor and click on that like button if you're enjoying this high intensity day trading from your boy Money Spence. All right, so let's see how much we made for the day so far, all of our funded accounts. So first funded account, we're up $162.88. Our second funded account, we're up $177.90. And our third funded account, we're up $500 $975.74. So today, family, we made $916.52 for the first 20 minutes of the trading day. That's phenomenal trading in both directions, family. And like I said yesterday, your boy Money Spence, he's not a one-dimensional trader. I can trade towards the downside and upside. All right, family. So the buyers, they're still stepping in. And this candle right here that developed, it's a 5-minute bullish engulfing candle. That's why I have these indicators on my chart, to help me out with spotting these moves. Because let's say, for example, if I didn't have this green arrow this blue arrow on my chart, and I was, a beginner trader, even though I'm not a beginner trader, I've been doing this for about 6 years now. I would have still been able to identify that the bulls were stepping in right here because of my experience. But if you're a beginner trader, it's good to have these, indicators on your chart to help you out with identifying, hey, where are the buyers stepping in at? Where are the sellers, stepping in at? So this was a pretty good, setup for us today towards the upside. And let me go to the poll really quick as well. So hopefully everyone was able to, answer that poll. So the poll today, what's the most important mental skill for successful, fast-paced VWAP scalping strategy? 24% of our members, they said staying calm under pressure. 33% of our members said strict discipline, entries and exits. 10% said quick decision making, and 33% said sticking to a well-defined plan. Honestly, I feel like all of those could have been, the correct answer. And if you think about it, your boy Money Spence displayed all of those today in today's live day trading session. I stayed calm under pressure. When I was down close to $500 in my last funded account, your boy Money Spence didn't panic. I allowed the move to eventually get back to a zone where I could sell safely and continue to have some additional risk if the move starts working back out in my favor, and then I size back in. Number two, strict discipline with entries and exits. I also displayed that as well. On the open, you see me, get in for a short, then take profits at a fast rate. On this 5-minute candle right here, I identified that the sentiment was changing at a fast rate. I sized up right here for a long towards the upside and played that move until 9:45 through 9:50 a.m. Number three, quick decision making. I also displayed that today as well. I had to think quick on my toes. Once I identified that the market sentiment was changing, I said, you know what? It's time to change direction and size up towards the upside. And last, sticking to a well-defined plan. If you go back to season one, season two, those 24 episodes, every single morning, it's the same exact thing. I'm not deviating from nothing. I stick to the same exact, discipline that I do every single day. And that's what allowed me to make these fast gains at a fast rate. I'm not deviating from, what's consistently working for me as a day trader. So I had a chance to cover all of that for the poll. Now let's show some love to the family in the chat. And family, make sure you all like this video and you can start asking me some questions in the chat. Because remember, over here, we only trade for 30 minutes per day, and then we're done. We're not sitting at our phone or our laptop, all day. All right, so let me show some family some love. Tony, good morning, family. Stock up, good morning, my brother. Rashad, good morning, my brother. Lena Stanford, good morning. Rashad said he made 1,300 times 3 on that bullish move. Rashad said, I'm locked out until Sunday. My brother, I love it. Keep up the great work, Rashad. My guy Rashad been rocking with me for a couple months now, man. I love it. Let me see. YEHOS. What's up, fam? I don't know how to pronounce that, but what's up, fam? Thank you for joining the Money Spent, live stream. I really appreciate it. Duran, what's going on, my brother? So Duran, he said, and my guy Duran, he's been following for probably over a year now, man. I really appreciate you as well, my brother. Thank you so much. So he said, thanks for explaining the ORB. It's a hot word that I still don't really understand. Man, we cover the ORB, every single morning during the live, day trading episodes. We usually cover the 5-minute ORB and the 15-minute ORB. And in some of the live day trading streams, you'll see how I implemented it in real time. G Nice, what's up, my brother? So G Nice said, He just made $85 going towards the upside. Great job, G Nice. Clint, what it do, my brother? Clint. So that's another one of my mentees right there. Clint. Good morning, Clint. Thank you for joining us, bruh. Duran said, stick to your plan. Definitely, bro. I'm sticking to the plan and I'm not deviating from it. It's been working consistently for us for the past, couple months. And my guy Edward said, I couldn't play anything with contracts were high on QQQ. Why was contract so high today? Contracts was probably so high because of the high volatility that we experienced in pre-market. But for the Qs, you probably could have played that bounce towards the upside. Let me check out something really quick. Yeah, you probably could have played that bounce from 597.17 up towards $606. You could have got those calls probably at a pretty cheap rate. Man, family, we're still moving higher, man. We're still moving higher, man. And your boy Money Spence called out this bullish move right here. So just imagine if I would have held my move all the way towards the upside. But I say, you know what? I'm comfortable with the profits that I made. Your boy Money Spence made $916.52 in a matter of 15 minutes of trading, family. 15 minutes, man. So I want to continue to get you all to that level, of mastery, making these fast gains at a fast rate, and then just going on about your life and with your day. Making this type of money, it will allow you to have more time with your family, more time, with yourself, and honestly, to do whatever you want. You're not, stuck to a, 9 to 5 when you're making this type of money consistently on a daily basis, family. So that's what I'm trying to, teach you all in real time. Like I always say, this thing, it's not about me, family. It's about you all. I hop on, YouTube every single day just to give free game, something that I didn't have, when I first started out. So I do it for y'all, man. And I'm doing it, just make these consistent gains in real time to show you all that it's possible. To show you all that it's possible. Some people, they may take, some of my words as, bragging, but family, not bragging, man. I'm extremely, grateful and thankful. And I went through some tough times as a day trader. My first 5 years, I lost over $100,000. So to make this type of money consistently on a daily basis, man, it's a blessing. And I'm forever grateful and thankful. It's a blessing, man. So let me see. Um, Edward said, do you have a past video for the 5 minute ORB? I do have a past video for the 15-minute ORB, but I don't have one for the 5 minute ORB. The 5 minute ORB, we usually cover it every single morning in our, live stream. And it's honestly based on the first 5 minute high and the first 5 minute low. If we break above the first 5 minute high, that's a break above the 5 minute ORB towards the upside. And that honestly, gave me some additional confirmation to, focus on the move towards the upside because we engulf the previous, 5 minute high and the previous 5 minute, candle. So let me see. Frenchie Lee. Good morning, fam. So let me see. Will SPY keep moving? It's a strong possibility today, that SPY will possibly, keep moving. But it's honestly good to it was honestly probably good to get in around like 935 or 940 and play that move towards the upside for a quick scalp. It's a little risky getting in right now due to the fact that the market, it's already, selling off, massively. That's why I try to get in on my moves, early on and sell when everybody else, step in. And let me see. Duran said, brother, you deserve this success. Man, yes, I do, family. And I really appreciate, the recognition. I really appreciate it, man. Your boy had some long nights. Let me see. So Edward said, thank you on that ORB explanation. Okay, if you're applying QQQ, how important is it to break pre-market low? So it depends on what's going on in the overall market. So let's say, for example, if you break the pre-market low on the open, right? So we broke the pre-market low on the open, but the overall market, it was already exhausted from the previous day. So yesterday we broke the 5 minute, we broke the pre-market low on the open, and it was a 5 minute bearish candle, and that was a continuation move towards the downside. Now today, the high frequency trading algorithms, they said, hold up, we're not going to continue to drop this thing, further. We're already down 400 plus points in pre-market going into the second trading day. That's why the buyers stepped in at 9:35 a.m. They said, we're not dropping this thing, once again. So it's extremely important to keep a close eye on the pre-market low and the pre-market high. So we dropped below the pre-market low today, but we also recaptured the pre-market low at 9:35 a.m. and then we started to hit towards the upside. So family, your boy Money Spence, man, he about to be out, man. I really appreciate everyone for their continuous support. We only trade over here for 30 minutes per day. And this will be the end of season two. Season two is all about, mastering the mindset. Season one, that was the beginning foundation for day traders and learning from experienced elite 6-year day trader. Season three, man, we're leveling up and we're going to focus on making $600 per day, and we're going to lock our risk management settings every single day before the day trading day starts. Season three, it's all about risk management control and showing you all how to be a disciplined trader. So season three, it's going to start on Monday. Make sure you all are ready to level up. Make sure you all study season one, study season two, so you can get ready for season three, man. So your boy Money Spence, man, he's about to be out, and I'm about to, enjoy my day. I'm about to go to the gym, and after that, get some lunch and relax, family. So I'm out, man. Peace. I really appreciate everyone for the continuous support consistently on a weekly basis. Good luck, everyone. Peace.